Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the music in CapCut templates. So if you guys usually use the CapCut templates, you probably knew that templates in CapCut already come with a music set by its creator, and you cannot change that. But here I probably will show you the trick on how you can change the music. First, just select the templates that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the use template and select your photos or videos to use. So here is the preview of the template that I chose, and then just click on export. So after the video is exported, you can just click on done. Let's go back and you can just start a new project with the video that you created from the template before. Okay, this one for example. And to change the music, you can just mute the clip on the video first, then add the audio here. Click on add audio and choose your on favorite music, for example here, and after that you can just export it again. So that's how you can change the music in CapCut templates. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.